map keeps telling me to take a U-turn, so I don't know what's going on. But this is a good backup. It's a hardtail. It holds GoPro, so no GoPro footage. Ooh, loose pine straw. Decent, like close to 100 foot, so I'll probably just do the 3 hours so I can get back and hang out with her more. My luck on this course so far. I don't know if you can see the mental workout in more so than the physical. There's no good places to drink from a bottle. I mean, a decent amount of jumps if you like that. This mount is completely useless. I gotta stop again. Full suspension race bike, so I have no cadence or power numbers to look at. A little bit of downhill. Definitely have fun on some of these. As if we just did a extra section back there, but on my Strava or Garmin. On my bite valve, on my leg. Wait till I get to the car and wipe it off. Definitely go across the bridge here. It's a pretty lake. We're at the visitor center.